I just can't carry on. Just give me one more chance.
Welcome back, guys. She didn't want me to say it, but I'm going to say it anyway. She has been on the show a million times. So anytime you see Courttia Bingham, you instantly think women empowerment. And she's back to tell us what's on the roster. She's joined by Dr. Carla Hilton, and we're going to have a little chat this morning. So my Instagram is flooded with all of these wonderful women empowerment things that are happening. I see women, and they're always color-coded, and I'm like,
and fabulous.
Wow,
Yes.
what's happening here? So tell us a little bit about the actual movement first, and then tell us a little bit about what's happening in the weekend.
Well, we are excited to say that we're in our third year, or 8th event. We've been across the island, we've been in Kingston, and we've been empowering and uplifting women all over. We tell the stories, the true stories, the real stories that aren't usually in the paper, on TV, and women in power have been through a lot. They've faced a lot of obstacles and hurdles, and people do think that once you're uptown or you're middletown and you're in certain positions that you face nothing, but that's not true. There's a journey, and we speak about the journey simply because we really believe that women can garner hope and inspiration no matter where you are. There's always a way out, and there's always some way you can be uplifted.
True. Why did you feel the need to
do
have
it?
something like this done?
My own life. I have been through abuse. I've been through bad relationships, failures in school, being financially, having financial issues, etc. But I've made it, and I look back on my life and I said I wanted to share with women that it's not where you're coming from, it's truly where you're going. But you have to employ some principles and discipline and commitment, but you can get it done. It is possible to rise.
So, Dr. Hilton, I know that you are going to be presenting at the next upcoming event, which we're going to go right back to and talk about shortly. What will you be presenting on?
Well, I'll be talking to women about how to connect with their children, especially the teenagers, you know.
I don't have the struggle of the teenager yet, but I'm sure she's at
So we will be emphasizing building connections with your child.
Wonderful.
You know, and that is a strong foundation for academic success.
Yes.
And success in all areas.
Right, definitely. And so when is this event, and what's it being
It's
called?
May 25th.
Should never invite me, by the way. People, me just have to tell them.
No, but you are invited right now. Stop it. So we are on for May 25th to 27th, and usually it's a one-day event. This time we're saying we're giving you a full weekend at the beautiful resort Jewel Duns River in Ocho Rios. We're gonna have a bevy of speakers. We have an international guest and celebrity who is coming as well. We're going to have.
You're hiding that. That's a surprise.
Well, I can tell you. Her name is
be?
Joanna Robertson. She's worked with Tyler Perry. She's been on many movies. She's a motivational speaker. She's a doctor at Spelman College. And also she has a beautiful story. Teenage pregnancy, teenage mother. And she made it through the different hurdles in America, coming to the Caribbean. But it's her first time in Jamaica. She is magnificent. When you hear her, you get goosebumps. You have no reason but to just rise up in yourself and do what is necessary. So 3 days, we have network events, we have all white events on the Saturday, we have the workshop, break the script in blue, so it's gonna be all blue. We have gynecologists who are coming in, we have Lacticid who is a partner, they're presenting on women wellness. Well Woman is also on board, JMB, we've partnered with them, so we're gonna talk about
Finances as well.
exactly, how do you create wealth, how do you build wealth, and everybody wants that.
So how do we, how much is it? Because it sounds like a
It's
lot. but I'll be
exciting, and then
getting-
we have the brunch on the Sunday, we have a pajama party, we'll have bonfire on the beach, and it's
my.
all inclusive, exclusively for women, which is amazing.
No boys allowed.
And so we started promoting about 2 months ago. Our rooms are almost booked. We only have some single occupancies left and double one night. So $280 per person, and single is $380 for, well, single is one person,
Yes.
so $380.
And that's per night.
And that's per night, but we only have one night left. Yes, so the weekend, the full weekend
that's not fair.
is booked, but we have single tickets for the event. So for the workshop, it's $100 US, just $100 US, and it's all inclusive. You get to spend the entire day, and then for the brunch,
You just have to drive back and come back.
Well, we're working on the transportation. I just met a friend last night who I found out is a part of JUTC. So we're working on getting
Pick
the
up yourself,
transportation.
JTC. Would be nice if you could help them out.
Yes,
So that we
will.
don't have to drive.
I believe so. And then the Sunday is the brunch, which is $150, and it's all inclusive. And we have a fabulous closing party after the brunch, which is
Wow.
a signage. Island Strokes is partnering with us. We're gonna do a signing party at the end.
Well, that sounds amazing.
Yes.
But before we go, knowing that it's Child Month, I really do have to talk to Dr. Hilton a little
Yes.
bit. You have to leave us with a little bit. Some tips or
yeah.
the other before we go. So I would like for you to give us some tips of how to connect with the child, for those of us who won't be able
Well,
to
connection begins with communication, right? A lot of time parents don't spend the time to listen to their children, and that is very, very important. You're not just to be telling them what to do this, do that, do that. You need to hear their opinion on
Are we
everyday
speaking
matters and
specifically
everything.
to teenagers, or are we talking across the board?
Across the board, you know, age-appropriate topics, parents should be talking to their children all the time, not them alone, but the child also conversing. It is a two-way street, right? And you really have to listen to your child.
So that's
right.
tip number one. Always listen.
Always listen. You also have to find time every day to try to communicate with your child. Even 10 minutes. I know parents are busy, right? But even 10 minutes, maybe at bedtime, just, find out how was your day, what happened, so that they know that what happened to them is important. It's not just about mommy's day or you doing well in school. You need to know about the social parts of life as well, right? And then that will cause the child to feel comfortable in
Coming
speaking to
about
you now
any
when
other
certain
thing.
problems occur. You also need to keep your child motivated. Just like how we eat 3 meals a day, we also need to keep the motivation going every day. It's not just a one-time thing. So you have to be encouraging your child every single day.
Yeah, I work hard on that one.
And give hope.
Because I grew up with self-esteem issues, and I know how hard it was for me growing up like that. So I make sure she knows every single day that she's beautiful, she's gorgeous, she's from the inside, she's loved. All of those things, I make sure if it's one thing she's going tired for here, it's going to be done.
Awesome. I just want to mention just the number for a person to call.
Yes, please.
Yes, 2770667, or they can email us info@weinspireja.com, and our page is on Instagram, weinspire_women_girls. On Facebook, We Inspire JA.
All right. It's so nice to know that women have this kind of camaraderie, because we always talk about females and it's always sounding like a cat fight.
Yeah, but
instead of lifting
we're
each other
defying
up.
the odds, we're breaking the script. Nothing like that. We can all live together, happy, empowering each other, supporting each other.
Yeah, girl. Don't try to hit off somebody else's crown, honey. Just adjust it and move on. Let's go. Wonderful to have you, Cartia, as always. And thank you so much for stopping by, Dr. Hilton. Go and hear more. That was just the tip of the iceberg. That's just a little bit of scrapings. Just pay the little money and go and enjoy yourself for the weekend, mommy. You deserve it, lady. You really do. Chief Executive Officer of We Inspire Limited, Cartia Bingham, and of course, Family Management Specialist, Dr. Carla Hilton. We're going to segue to fashion on the other side of the break. You never know, you might get something to wear to We Inspire. Don't go anywhere.
All the time, I see you hurting. You're still so